So now that we create its schematic library, we want to create its PCB library. Let's go to project and click in this PCB lib. And till it open, let's just go to our project and go to docs and open its datasheet. Now we go to PCB library and you see all the footprint that there is in this library. Let's make it bigger and click add here and right click on it and call it from footprint property. We can change its name. Let's just go to datasheet and in pin configuration, I think. You see that it is TS sub 20. It has 20 pin. So what we should do for naming, we can name it this, but this is a standard pinout. We can just copy and paste this and name this TS sub 20, so we can use it for another MCU or IC that has this footprint on it. So a lot of IC and MCU has this footprint, and we can just create it once and use it in all the MCU and IC that have this footprint. So this name is good. Let's just now go to package dimension. You see it give us all the dimension that we need. We want this package, so this is good. Let's just use this. In here it tells us that give me a height. So let's just see it is A2. If you see here, it is better to say A. So A maximum is 1.2 millimeter. So let's just call it here 1.2 millimeter. It's for rules. I will show you how rules work. So in description, maybe if you want to write something, you do it, but in my case I don't need it. So let's click OK, and you see from before I have T sub 6 and T sub 32, T sub 48, but I didn't have TS sub 20. Why I didn't have it? Because in all the libraries that you find in the internet, you can add this. But for practice, I wanna create it myself, so you can see it, how we can create a footprint. So first of all, if you just see a PCB, let's just search PCB and go to images. That's good. This is good quality. So you see this line, this white line, and this white, what you see in here that is white is silk screen. So you see in this IC you have this silk screen with its name, with its designator, and you want to have it in your footprint. So first of all, we create our silk screen shape. So I just use line, and if you see down here, every grid is this much, and when you click your mouse here, you put your mouse here, you can see its dimension. What is its X and Y? This is 0 and this is 0 and 0. If you put it in here, it is like you see here. See? Down button, you can see it. So let's just go to here. There is a lot of way to create this. You can have your own way, but I want to show you my way that I think it's faster. So you see in here we have HE. Let's see, HE is I want to use this grid to create our silk screen. How we can do it? Just hit G on keyboard, and from here you choose 1 millimeter. Why you want to choose 1 millimeter? You want to change this grid. So let's just see. I want to create this and this. So for now I want HE and D. I want to build all of these. So you see, if I want to create silk screen this way that you see in here, so if I use HE in here, so this silk screen should go to here and here. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do. So for now I just use E and D. Well, for us I decide to it is 0 and 0. So E, what is E? Let's just see it here. E is maximum. I will consider just maximum value. So it is 4.5. 4.5. If you hit G on your keyboard, if you want to create 4.5, you should choose this 0.5 millimeter. So let's zoom out. You see, this is the grid that you want, and click here. You see, in this bottom you see all the layer that you can create, create or write something to it. So I will click top overlay. Top overlay is just for silk screen. In here you see this white area, white line and white writing. You see, this is silk screen. We call it silk screen. So top overlay is just the silk screen. Whatever you put in top overlay, it will be shown in silk screen. So let's just click here, and now you just creating silk screen. This is from bottom left corner. You see that I'm now in X0 and Y0. I left click, and how much I want? I want 4.5. Let's just go to X 4.5, Y0. That's it. And for Y, let's just hit tab, this paused or Altium, and go to datasheet, and you see D. How much is D? D is 6.6. So hit tab again. Let's just go to 6.6 in y direction. 6 dot, you know, you can because you have this grid, you can't have 6.6. What you should do, you should change the grid. So what should I put here? Maybe this resolution is good, 0.1. So no, I have 0.1. I can see X and Y in bottom left corner. So you see X is changing. So for better performance, I use arrow key in keyboard. So I hit left and this is good. X is equal 4.5 and Y, I hit top arrow, so I hit 6.6 and hit enter. So you create some of it, but how you can do it faster? I want to show you a shortcut. Know where you want to go. You want to go to dimension x equals 0, y equal 6.6. How you can do it? Just first hit G on your keyboard, and from here just hit L, new location, L. It's just telling you where to jump. You say I want to jump to x equals 0 and y equal 6.6. Enter. You see, we make some mistake. We didn't enter it properly. Just let's go back. JL, x is equal 4.5, and we back there and put and hit enter, and now it's created. Now x is 0 and y is 6.6. You see, hit enter several times and again JL, and now we want to go to location 0 and 0. And know that you create around it, let's just with right click get rid of it. So again right click, and you see this is okay. Let's just save it till here. That's cool. What we create is E and D. We go 0 to E on X and 0 to D on Y. So